Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another thrilling episode of Revolutionary Rides. Today, we have an absolute beast of a motorcycle that has been tearing up the streets and dominating the hearts of adrenaline junkies everywhere. Introducing the 2023 Ducati Streetfighter V4 S. When it comes to sheer performance and striking aesthetics, Ducati has always been at the forefront. And with the Streetfighter V4 S, they've taken it to a whole new level. This beastly machine is a perfect blend of raw power and refined engineering. The Streetfighter V4 S embodies the spirit of a true street fighter. Its aggressive design exudes confidence, with sharp lines, an exposed frame, and an overall muscular presence that demands attention. This motorcycle means business. Underneath that stunning exterior lies a powerful heart. The Streetfighter V4 S is equipped with a 1,103 cubic centimeters desmo straight-aisle engine, borrowed from its track-focused sibling, the Panigale V4. This means you'll have an astonishing 208 horsepower at your command, ready to be unleashed with a twist of the throttle. But it's not just the engine that makes this motorcycle a technological marvel. Ducati has packed it with cutting-edge electronics, including a state-of-the-art TFT display, multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, traction control, and even wheelie control. All of this ensures that the power is tamed and delivered precisely, providing the rider with unparalleled confidence and control. Safety is of utmost importance, and Ducati has equipped the Streetfighter V4 S with top-of-the-line Brembo brakes, ensuring remarkable stopping power and precise modulation. Whether you're pushing the limits on the track or navigating through city traffic, this motorcycle has got you covered. While the Streetfighter V4 S is built for aggressive riding, Ducati hasn't compromised on rider comfort. The ergonomics have been carefully designed to provide a comfortable riding position, allowing you to fully enjoy those long rides without sacrificing control or performance. And let's not forget about customization. Ducati offers a range of stunning color options for the Streetfighter V4 S, allowing you to express your individuality and stand out from the crowd. In conclusion, the 2023 Ducati Streetfighter V4 S is a true masterpiece. Its unrivaled power, aggressive design, and advanced electronics make it a force to be reckoned with on the streets. So, if you're ready to unleash the beast within, the Streetfighter V4 S is waiting for you. Thanks for joining us on this thrilling ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit